How to get and use PandaBuy coupon codes. So for today's video, we're going to learn how to get and use PandaBuy coupon code. So let's get into it. First thing that you might want to do is search PandaBuy on your desktop, pandabuy.com. So just log into your account, and if you haven't have an account yet, you might want to create one first. And once you're done, navigate on the top right corner of the page where you can see the profile icon and then click the wallet option. You will be directed into this page where you can see the balance tab and equipment tab. Select on the coupon tab. And then here, you'll be able to see the option to enter the redeem code. So once you enter the coupon code or the redeem code, you will see it in the lower part, the available coupon tab. You just have to click on it on whatever coupon or redeem that you want to use that will appear in this tab. Or if you have your own coupon code or redeem code, you just have to enter also in here and then click convert. And surely it will now appear to your account. Now, if you're going to purchase any item from PandaBuy website or app, you can now use your coupon code. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.